What's your favorite type of technology? Is it phones, computers, headphones, microphones? What are your favorites within that category? I also want to let you know, Will, I appreciate you. You're cool. You only chose this because they put that in there.
Yeah. Shout out.
Just you just gave them the key to the castle because now everyone's just going to say something nice about you.
I appreciate it.
In order to get on the show. And that's too easy, Will. So how dare you? No, I mean, it's cool. I appreciate Will also, and I also agree with you. He's cool. My favorite phone, probably, man, I've been using the iPhone for a while now, but honestly, the new OnePlus 7 Pro looks promising, though I've got some things I'm going to look into with that because people have been hitting me up with some potential issues with it. I've always been into Pixel phones. I love the cameras on those devices.
Wait, so phones are your type of technology?
No, it's weird the way he phrased it. What are your favorites within that category? Like, is he asking... Okay, my favorite type of technology in that group of options would probably be phones because they do the most and they have become the kind of focal point of the technological universe. That's where most innovation is taking place in the groups that he presented there. But I can also tell you my favorite phones. My favorite laptop is sitting here right now. It's the X1 Carbon from Lenovo. I've talked about it in the past. My favorite microphone, I haven't talked about this. This is an Earthworks SV33, and it's actually kind of special and kind of uncommon. So there's that. And then, like I said, headphones, I've talked about this in the past. There's the Sony noise canceling ones that I've been utilizing, which probably have the best noise cancellation of any model that I tested. I did a video on Unbox Therapy. I put them up against the Bose QC noise canceling headphones, which are kind of like the standard. Everybody's aware of them. And I actually chose the Sonys in a head-to-head test. But I'm not the only one to come to this conclusion. In fact, these headphones have been received very well by a number of people. So you can go check out that video if you want. It's titled The Best Noise Canceling Headphones, Bose or Sony. They are a bit expensive, though they often go on sale on Amazon. So if you want to check the current price, you can go look at the video that I'm referencing. There's a link there. They have a terrible product name, which is the reason I haven't referenced it yet. WH1000XM3. Anyway, they're available in silver and black. Will's got the current price right now, $348, and they have Alexa built in. I think they also have Google Assistant if you prefer, but the noise canceling is the wild part. It's tunable. It's magical. So, and same with the bass reproduction if you're into that. So I'll take that in the headphone category. So there you have it. Let's do one more question, Will.